Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we have a fun conversation about how to spend a weekend. You will learn useful vocabulary related to weekend activities, how to form long, natural English sentences, tips to confidently talk about weekend plans and leisure activities. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with friends, and leave a comment telling us how you usually spend your weekends. Now, let's begin.
Hi Alex, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hi Mia, not yet. I was thinking about relaxing at home and maybe going out a little.
That sounds nice. I'm planning to meet some friends and maybe do a short trip.
That's exciting. Where are you planning to go?
I was thinking about visiting a nearby beach for a day.
Perfect. A beach day is a great way to relax and enjoy the sun.
Do you usually go out on weekends or stay home?
It depends. Sometimes I like a quiet weekend at home, reading or watching movies.
I like quiet weekends too, but I also enjoy trying new activities.
That's a good idea. Weekends are a perfect time to explore hobbies or new experiences.
Do you ever do outdoor activities like hiking or cycling?
Yes, I try to go hiking at least once a month. It's refreshing and keeps me active.
That sounds fun. I love cycling on weekends when the weather is nice.
Outdoor activities are perfect for recharging after a busy week.
What about indoor activities? Do you stay home sometimes?
Definitely. I often watch movies, read, or cook new recipes.
Cooking sounds fun. I sometimes try baking desserts during the weekend.
That's a great way to relax and enjoy delicious food afterward.
Do you like spending weekends with friends or alone?
Both. Sometimes I enjoy socializing, other times I need alone time to recharge.
I feel the same. I love meeting friends, but quiet weekends are peaceful too.
Exactly. It's all about balance.
Do you ever go shopping on weekends?
Sometimes I usually do errands, buy groceries, or check out new stores.
I like shopping for clothes or visiting local markets on weekends.
That's fun. Weekend shopping can be a social or relaxing activity.
Do you enjoy weekend getaways?
Yes, short trips are exciting. A weekend getaway can feel like a mini vacation.
I agree. I sometimes visit nearby towns or nature spots.
It's refreshing and breaks the routine of the week.
How about cultural activities on weekends?
I sometimes visit museums, galleries, or attend local performances.
I enjoy that too. It's a great way to learn and experience something new.
Exactly. Cultural activities add meaning and inspiration to weekends.
Do you ever participate in sports during the weekend?
Yes, I usually swim or play basketball with friends.
That's great. I like jogging and yoga on weekends.
Exercise is perfect for energy and maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
Do you watch movies or TV shows as part of your weekend plan?
Yes, sometimes I have a movie marathon at home.
That sounds fun. I also binge watch series when I have free time.
Weekends are ideal for catching up on shows and relaxing.
Do you ever spend weekends learning something new?
Yes, I sometimes take online courses or learn a new language.
That's productive. I try to learn new recipes or practice painting.
Learning new skills keeps the mind active and weekends exciting.
How about family time on weekends?
Very important. I spend time with family, have meals together, or go for walks.
I do the same. Family dinners are always enjoyable.
Weekends are perfect for bonding without work distractions.
Do you ever attend parties or social gatherings on weekends?
Sometimes, it's a fun way to socialize and relax.
I like small gatherings or picnics with friends.
That's a great idea. Outdoor picnics are relaxing and social at the same time.
Do you plan your weekends in advance?
Sometimes I do. Sometimes I just go with the flow. I like having a rough plan, but also leaving room for spontaneity. That's perfect. Flexible planning makes weekends stress-free.
Do you enjoy quiet mornings on weekends?
Absolutely. I love having coffee, reading the newspaper, or just relaxing.
I enjoy that too. Lazy mornings feel like a luxury.
They're perfect to recharge and start the weekend calmly.
Do you ever do creative activities on weekends?
Yes, I like painting, writing, or photography.
That's wonderful. I sometimes journal or sketch on weekends.
Creative activities boost mood and mental clarity.
How about shopping for groceries or household chores?
I usually do them early on Saturday, so the rest of the weekend is free.
That's smart. I also try to finish errands first to enjoy leisure time.
It helps reduce stress and keeps the weekend enjoyable.
Do you ever attend workshops or classes during the weekend?
Yes, sometimes cooking classes or photography workshops.
That sounds fun. Learning and socializing at the same time.
Exactly, it's productive and enjoyable.
Do you enjoy nature activities like hiking or visiting parks?
Absolutely, fresh air and greenery make weekends refreshing.
I agree. A walk in the park or near the river is very relaxing.
Outdoor activities are great for both health and mood.
How about volunteering during weekends?
Yes, helping others can be rewarding and meaningful.
I volunteer at community events sometimes. It feels fulfilling.
That's wonderful. Weekends are perfect for giving back.
Do you ever go to concerts or music events?
Yes, live music is exciting and energizing.
I love attending concerts or local performances.
Cultural events make weekends memorable.
Do you enjoy attending sports events?
Sometimes, especially football matches or local tournaments.
That's fun. I enjoy watching games with friends.
Sharing experiences adds joy to weekends.
Do you spend weekends outdoors in summer?
Yes, swimming, barbecues, or outdoor games are perfect for summer.
I love barbecues and picnics with friends.
They're social, relaxing, and fun.
How about winter weekends?
I enjoy cozy indoor activities like reading, movies, or baking.
That sounds perfect. I also enjoy warm drinks and board games.
Board games are fun for both family and friends.
Do you ever mix fun and productivity on weekends?
Yes, like cooking while listening to music or exercising with friends.
That's a good idea. I sometimes combine cleaning with listening to podcasts.
Multitasking can make weekends enjoyable and useful.
Do you ever take naps during weekends?
Yes, short naps help me recharge for the evening activities.
I do the same. Afternoon naps are very refreshing.
They give energy for the rest of the weekend.
Do you enjoy weekend morning markets or fairs?
Yes, local markets are fun to explore and shop for unique items.
I love morning markets. Fresh food and handmade products are amazing.
It's also a good way to support local businesses.
Do you like weekend road trips?
Yes, short trips to nearby towns or nature spots are exciting.
I enjoy that too. It feels like a mini vacation.
Exactly. Weekend trips break the routine and refresh the mind.
Do you attend any fitness classes on weekends?
Sometimes yoga, Pilates, or cycling classes.
I enjoy weekend yoga classes. It's relaxing and healthy.
Physical activity boosts mood and energy for the whole week.
How about weekend hobbies at home?
I like painting, reading, or organizing personal projects.
I sometimes bake or do DIY crafts at home.
Home hobbies are relaxing and productive at the same time.
Do you ever go to cafes or restaurants for weekend brunch?
Yes, brunch with friends is a great weekend activity.
I love weekend brunches. It's social and enjoyable.
And a perfect way to try new food or drinks.
Do you enjoy movies in the cinema on weekends?
Sometimes, especially for new releases or blockbusters.
I also like going to the cinema with friends.
Watching films together makes weekends fun and social.
Do you ever do weekend meditation or mindfulness exercises?
Yes, it helps me relax and reflect on the week.
I practice mindfulness too. It improves focus and reduces stress.
It's a wonderful habit for mental health.
How about weekend reading marathons?
I love spending long afternoons reading novels or articles.
Me too. Quiet reading is very enjoyable.
It's perfect for recharging and learning at the same time.
Do you ever plan weekend meets with friends?
Yes, coffee dates, lunch, or casual walks.
I enjoy those. It's relaxing and social at the same time.
Friend meetups are a great way to connect and refresh your mind.
Do you spend weekends planning for the next week?
Sometimes, making a to-do list helps me feel organized.
That's smart. I also plan small tasks on weekends.
Planning helps reduce stress and makes weekdays smoother.
Do you enjoy weekend gardening?
Yes, tending plants is relaxing and satisfying.
I also enjoy it. Watching plants grow is rewarding.
Gardening combines relaxation and productivity perfectly.
How about weekend photography?
I sometimes take photos of nature or city scenes.
I love taking photos of landscapes or interesting buildings.
Photography captures memories and encourages exploration.
Do you ever participate in weekend workshops or community events?
Yes, it's fun and social, plus you learn new things.
I enjoy community volunteering on weekends. It's fulfilling.
Helping others adds meaning to free time.
Do you ever do weekend cooking sessions with friends?
Yes, cooking together is fun and social.
I love cooking parties. Everyone shares recipes and enjoys food.
It's a perfect combination of socializing and creativity.
Do you ever watch sports games on weekends?
Yes, live or on TV, it's exciting and relaxing.
I enjoy watching sports too. Sometimes with friends.
Sharing the excitement makes weekends fun.
Do you ever do weekend shopping for hobbies?
Yes, buying supplies for painting, cooking, or DIY projects.
I also buy craft materials or books on weekends.
Shopping for hobbies makes preparation exciting.
Do you enjoy weekend road trips with friends or family?
Yes, short trips are refreshing and social.
I love weekend drives to nearby towns or countryside.
Exploring new places is a fun and relaxing way to spend a weekend.
How about quiet weekend evenings at home?
I enjoy reading, listening to music, or watching TV.
I also like quiet evenings with a warm drink and a good book.
It's a perfect way to recharge before the new week.
Do you ever visit parks or nature reserves on weekends?
Yes, walking or cycling outdoors is refreshing.
I enjoy it too. Nature walks improve mood and energy.
Weekends in nature are healthy and relaxing.
Do you do any weekend DIY home projects?
Yes, simple decorations or organizing spaces.
I like weekend DIY too. It feels productive and fun.
Home projects are a creative way to spend free time.
Do you ever attend cultural events or fairs on weekends?
Yes, local festivals or art shows are enjoyable.
I also enjoy weekend festivals. They're lively and entertaining.
Cultural experiences make weekends memorable.
How about weekend music sessions at home?
I sometimes play instruments or sing for fun.
I like listening to music or playing piano at home.
Music is relaxing and boosts mood on weekends.
Do you ever spend weekends reflecting or journaling?
Yes, I sometimes write about my weekend plans.
That's a good idea. I also journal to organize thoughts.
Reflection improves focus and clarity for the upcoming week.
Thank you, Alex. I feel inspired to plan enjoyable weekends now.
You're welcome, Mia. Weekends are for relaxation, fun, and making memories.